things are there in this? So see, I am open. This is mat. This is lab 1. This is lab 2. And this is lab 3. This is pouch 3. This is storage pouch. This is pouch 2. And this is beaker. Liquid. This is liquid soap. This is blue color. This is red color. This is perfume. This is yellow color. These are cups. This is big container. And this is beaker. I like this kit very much because I learned new experiments from this kit. Bye.